In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about assessment and evaluation. Assessment is an attempt to measure not the pupil as a whole, nor his worth, but some particular ability, knowledge, or skill, or perhaps an attitude or other quality, which he may or may not possess. Meaning of assessment. Assessment is a process which follows set of four components, that is plan, do, check and act. It is a process to evaluate the student performance. Besides, it is an orderly process. This uses a test to check the student's performance. Assessment is the process of gathering information in order to evaluate and monitor the progress of teaching learning process and take decision accordingly. The purpose of assessment is to provide feedback to each pupil about his progress, giving feedback to the teacher about the effectiveness of his teaching, providing information for matching individuals to further education and employment opportunities, and motivating pupils' work. Assessment is formative, that is ongoing with an objective to improve the quality of learning, process oriented, that is looks into the process of how learning takes place, and diagnostic, that is diagnoses the weak areas and recommends remediation. Various techniques are employed for assessment and they are assignment, projects, interview, test which may be oral, written or practical, observations, students' behavior, teachers' behavior and class environment. In assessment, quantitative measurement are expressed qualitative terms. Types of assessment. Assessment can be divided in the following categorizations: placement, formative, summative and diagnostic assessment, objective and subjective assessment, referencing, that is criteria referenced, norm referenced assessment, informal and formal assessment, and internal and external assessment. Evaluation is a procedure by which we determine whether a set criteria has been met or whether the objectives defined for a particular purpose have been achieved. It is product oriented. That is, achievements are evaluated in terms of learning outcomes. Judgmental, overall course or grades are considered, and summative. It determines the extent to which the educational objectives have been achieved or how effective a particular teaching strategy has been. Evaluation may include both quantitative description and qualitative description of pupils for passing value judgment over the worthwhileness of their progress. Comparison between assessment and evaluation. Dimensions of assessment is mainly formative, but evaluation is mainly summative. Focus of measurement in assessment is process oriented, but in evaluation is product oriented. Relationship between administrator and recipient in assessment is reflective, but in evaluation is perspective. Mainly we use assessment for diagnostic purpose, but evaluation for the judgmental purpose. Ongoing modificability of criteria, measures thereof assessment is flexible, but evaluation is fixed. The standard of measurement of assessment is absolute, but evaluation is comparative. Assessment is mainly cooperative, but evaluation is competitive. Now try this. What is the relation between assessment and evaluation?